When I became a flight attendant for a Middle Eastern airline, I didn't just learn service, I learned life. I learned safety comes first, always. And make every cocktail you can imagine. And a few nobody ever asked for. I've been in the flight deck, as well as in the cabin. Lived my best life in the Middle East, and of course traveled the world. Plus, swam in the apartment pool at midnight. Went to unforgettable party and made friends from literally everywhere. Now, my life is quite different. But my journey still goes on.